Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Reality Adventure. Today we are going to unbox some accessories, one for the HTC Vive and one for the Oculus Rift CV1. For HTC Vive, this is the Audio Deluxe Strap, and for the CV1 it is the remote that you can actually help the viewer to control different aspects of the system inside, like going back and going on the menu or volume rocker and that. So let's start with the small one. This is the Oculus Remote. As you can see, the remote itself, some cravings all around, details about where it was made, and registrations on all that. So let's start unboxing it. It doesn't have that much things inside, so let's take the box out. Very good packaging, and there is nothing. Okay, there's this small box inside that box, something like that. So this is the remote itself, some remote's protective shield. It has touchpad, clicky mouse-like selection button, and other outside button, inside button, two buttons, some volume rockers, going back button, home button, and the battery actually is built in here. You will be needing some equipment to take out the battery. Like if I just like this one here, there is the battery, a small big CMOS like motherboard battery. So let's put this aside and let's unbox the audio strap, manual. So for the audio strap, you have a shield in here. Okay, it's well tightly. Okay, you got it. So now let's open the box. There we go. Some manuals on this side. How to take out the specific strap from the HTC Vive headset, and how to adjust it. Some more manuals. Small place to actually have a Velcro strap and screws, and this is the strap itself. Let's take it out. I think there is something more inside this box. Oh, there is nothing more, sorry. So this is the strap. Of great quality. We have this attached to our Oculus Quest to create the Franken Quest version of it. It's very comfortable, and the audio is very great. This strap is also of good quality, and also this halo-like adjusting system is very comfortable and very cool. So as you can see, this is the headphone jack. You can attach it to your HTC Vive headset or Oculus Quest headset or any other headset that support a 3.5 jack, audio jack. So you can adjust it. We will be putting it on the one that we just unboxed, HTC Vive 1, later. So subscribe our channel and stay tuned for those videos. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.